Hello guys, welcome back. So for a while I wasn't able to upload any tutorial video, so today I brought one, and in today's video I will teach you how to play Yeh Haseen Vadiya song on our flute. So, and this one is also an easy one, so you guys can use any flute that you have, and I'm using my double G flute today. So notation you can get it from my blog, link in the description. Now let's learn how to play this beautiful song as I played before. Let's get started. Okay, first line. Ga re pa ga re sa sa re ni. Alright, starting with ga, and when we play ga we touch re also, like ga, like that. Okay, ga re pa ga re sa sa re. When you play sa you need to come from re like this, sa 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 re ni ni. When you play ni you also need to play like sani sani, ni sani sa or sani sani, like ga re pa ga re sa sa re ni ni, like that. Once again. Then da ni ga, yep, da ni ga re pa ga re sa ni. Once again both line. Ga re pa ga re sa re ni, da ni ga re pa ga re sa ni. Repeat that line for 2 times like this. Okay, and then ga sa re re sa ni, ga sa, and then re ga re sa ni. Play in higher pitch. Okay, ga sa re ga re sa ni, it goes fast, re ga re sa ni, like that. When you play sa, play also with ni, like ga sa, like that. Repeat that line for 3 times like this. And the last part, ga ni da komal da, and then shuddha ma, and then re sa ni. Ga ni da da ma re sa ni, like that. Ga ni da komal da, shuddha ma, re sa ni, like that. And now let's move to the song. Okay, it goes like once again. Dani sa sa re ni, dani ni ga re sa re ni, dani re re, sorry, dani sa sa re ni, dani sa sa re ni. Once again, dani sa sa re ni, and then dani ni ga re, sorry, dani ni ga sa re ni, dani ni ga sa re ni. Once again, both lines. Dani sa sa re ni, dani ni ga sa re ni, and then repeat that two lines for 2 times like this. And then now you have to play Tiruma and then Komari also in that line. Okay, Dani ga ga re, dani ga ga re, then Tiruma. Okay, mama ga, Komari re 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 ne. Once again, dani ga ga re, mama ga re 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 ne, dani ga ga re, mama ga re 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 ne. Repeat that line for 2 times. And then Gamapa, and also now you have to play Tiruma, not Shuddhama. Okay, Gamapa mapa mari, nini ga, yeah, nini ga ri ga ri ri, ri ga ri ri, ri ga ri ri. Once again, and then Gama pada pa. Okay, Gama pada pa, mapa mari, nini gama pada, like that. Once again, that line. So that's it, guys. So now you know how to play Yeh Haseen Vadiya, that beautiful song, that part, how to play on our flute. So I hope you guys will able to play that beautiful song after watching this video, right? So if you guys have any other request, please comment. I will make a tutorial videos for you. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Keep playing, keep practicing. Okay, bye bye.